Julie Reeves, and I am with the Brawley Cattle Call Mini Rodeo. It's a rodeo that we put on for the special needs children of our Imperial Valley and the older folks. And we put it on in order to give them a chance to experience the rodeo life in an atmosphere that's easier for them to manage, as opposed to going to the big rodeo that's coming up this weekend where there's lots of crowds and too much noise for them. And our contestants are 90% students themselves. It's an all-volunteer program here, and it's wonderful that we have students putting on this rodeo for other students their own age. And I hope that it teaches them empathy towards these students and encourage them to befriend them and be encouragers to them, and to have a really good time serving others and being aware that they are actually very privileged to have good health, have families that can provide horses for them and to be able to ride, whereas these students are not able to do that. So we do that to give these kids a chance to experience the rodeo life. I believe this is our 38th year to have the Mini Rodeo. We did not have it last year because of COVID. And it was started by a Brawley Cattle Call Rodeo Committee member, Joni Moore. And she wanted to do something for the special needs community. And she's the one that started it. And I came on board with her probably about 7 years after she started it. And then after several years, she turned it over to me, although she still helps me over here. She's definitely still on board helping, and we have a great committee that works together to put this on, and we all love doing this. It's our favorite time of Cattle Call Week.
So my son Brennan, he's 16 years old. He's a junior at Central Union High School. And this is about, I think, his 4th or 5th year participating. This year he's only roping. He's doing team roping with his partner Alfredo. Previous years he's participated in numerous events, everything from the barrels to the gunny sack race, just numerous events.
Well, we have one off and 1 and 2, 3, and 4 now.
You know, I'm honored to be able to help out. And by helping out, I mean just hauling my kid out here and having him participate and doing whatever I need to do. It's an honor, you know, to be able to see these kids out here and enjoy. And not just the kids, but we also have, there's some seniors out here that you see their smiles and they're just, you know, it means a lot.